Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an oil pressure sensor on a Dodge Durango. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, a socket set, and the new oil pressure sensor. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work. This simple step helps avoid electrical issues. Next, locate the oil pressure sensor. It's usually situated near the oil filter housing on the engine block. Depending on your vehicle's configuration, you might need to remove a few surrounding components, like an air intake tube, to gain clear access. Using a specialized oil pressure sensor socket will make removal much easier and prevent damage to the sensor or surrounding parts. Now, carefully unscrew the old sensor using your specialized socket. Once removed, take a moment to thoroughly clean the sensor port on the engine block, ensuring no debris remains. Before installing the new sensor, apply a small amount of thread sealant to its threads. Hand tighten the new sensor first, then use your wrench to tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque, avoiding over-tightening. Finally, reattach any components you removed earlier to gain access to the sensor. Securely reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Carefully check for any signs of oil leaks around the new sensor. Also, confirm that the oil pressure warning light on your dashboard has turned off, indicating a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.